Okay, what if this happened every single day? I'll tell you what happened. So I get this call from a brand new client, never heard from them before. They want a type of website, never been done before, never heard of it before, and I don't even know if I can do it based on what I've done before. I tell him it's a government minister from our state. I tell him, even if I can do it, I don't know if I can do it in less than a day. He wants it by 9 the next morning. And I don't know if I can get the pricing down because my business partner will charge you $10,000 for this, even though it's going to take less than a day. And he says, I care. I could lose my job if I don't get this. Charge me whatever you like. So I'm like, no, let me talk to my business partner. So I talk to my business partner and I tell them, obviously, it's obscene for me to charge more than $10,000 when it's less than a day. And they're like, no. In fact, if he wants it earlier and sooner and quicker than normally do it, he should be paying more. And so I'm really frustrated and angry at this point, and I'm explaining to my boyfriend, no one's listening to me. They don't know how much work is involved. I'm the only one who knows how much work is involved, and I'm telling them it's not worth $10,000, and no one's listening to me. And my boyfriend says to me, babe, you haven't got time to worry about this. Just get the work done. You can worry about the price tomorrow. Good point. So head down, bum up, get the work done, delivered it, didn't even have time to test it before it went live. He had a news conference and all of the television stations were there and everything. So thank goodness it worked. He couriers over a check for $10,000 that same day. I get it in my hot little hands. I'm standing in my lounge room. And I'm not angry anymore. I'm not frustrated anymore. I'm leaping around the lounge room, so happy. I'm singing and dancing, and my boyfriend's coming up with ridiculous ideas like, hey, we could hire a jumbo jet, get all our friends, fly around the world and party for a month. And I'm like, I don't think you understand how much that's going to cost. But then I had this thought, what if this happened every single day? Like if I earn $10,000 for 365 days a year, that's $3.65 million. And then I just started laughing at myself because I can't believe I was angry because someone wanted to give me $10,000. And here's what I learned, and what I hope you'll learn too, is that the price has nothing to do with what my time is worth. The price has nothing to do with how good my work is. The price is all about what it's worth to my client. And if it's worth more than losing his job, then yes, obviously it's worth more than $10,000 to him. So it's a great transaction for him and for me. So that's what I want you to learn. Forget about how much your time is worth. Forget about how much your work is worth. Start thinking about how much is this worth to my client. I hope that story helps. See ya.